So today I'm gonna pierce my own ear. I'm gonna pierce the upper lobe on this ear. And I've pierced my ears a couple of times before, these two here, not this one, and this one. I'm gonna use this sewing needle to pierce my ear, and here is the, it's small, here is the piercing I'm gonna put in after I've pierced my ear. It's a hoop earring and it's made of gold. It's important that it has to be like real materials, like safe shit. You know, yeah, you know, girl, you know. So now I'm gonna cook water, because I'm gonna have it in like a cup and mix salt in it to like kill all the bacteria on the needle and the earring. Before I put these in the salt water, I have to clean them with the antibacterial soap. Let's go do that now. So then I'm just gonna add the salt in the boiling hot water. And you have to use this like, I think it's non-ionized salt. If I'm mistaken, just leave a comment or something. And then you just add the needle and the earring. You have to be in the water just chilling for about 20 minutes to kill all the bacteria. Also, do remember to wash your hands before piercing your ears, because you don't want to know how much bacteria we have on our hands, like, all the time. Don't look it up. Now I have washed my ear with antibacterial soap, and I'll also wash it with salt water. And then, now right before I'm about to pierce, I'll just mark the area. This lighting is not good, I know, I'm sorry. And as I've already said, hand hygiene is very important. I've washed my hands for about 100 times now. But yeah, I'm ready. Okay, so it's almost through the last layer of skin. Yeah. Okay, so I'm through the ear. I'm just trying to push the needle all the way through. So it will make it easier to put the earring in about 20 minutes, because the needle have to stay in for 20 minutes to just like prepare the ear and here's the result. I changed the earring while I had the needle in it. The one I have now is of surgical steel, and I thought that was better than gold because it was a hoop. Maybe it will develop more bacteria because it's a hoop, and you know? Yeah, you know. I've said a lot of you know in this video. I hope you know what I'm talking about, you know. Then I'll say it again. Here's the result one more time. Yeah. If you're thinking about piercing your own ear, be really hygienic. Wash your hands at least 100 times. If you think they're too clean, wash them one more time. And you have to, I think I've said it, but use real steel, like surgical steel or gold or titanium. Those are really good steels. Use them. You have to check what steel or what your earring is made of before you pierce your ear. Like, try to avoid acrylic earrings because those develop more bacteria. Bacteria seem to love plastic, so stay away from the plastic, at least for the first 2 months. Yeah, I'm happy.